Welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. So I'm just gonna answer some questions, because somebody says, but I saw the video of your friend Rab going looking for Filipina. So far he's very happy he's very happy. He's still in the process of he's still looking forward to roaming around on his adventure in the Philippines. And then your comment, your message, mom, is why do foreigner choose a younger one? It's very obvious, ma'am. They really wanted to have somebody that they are fit in with their qualifications, with their if they wanted to do an adventure, there's there's enough energy to meet up with their energy, So yeah, but as I said, ma'am, you're asking me about if I can help you on looking for foreigner. We're not dating side, But Rob we know Rob since 6 years ago. He's been visiting us for long. He's been visiting us before. In fact, I think stayed with us in the guest house for 2 days. I think 1 day or 2 days. So there's a communications. Terrence and him has a communications. He's been a good supported also on our program. So yeah. So you're asking if we could help. We are not into a dating site. We are not helping other to find their boyfriend or find their husband. But we wish you the best. We wish you everything in the world. That you could find the right man. And at the same time, that's all. Thank you.